If you're in the market for a new construction home in one of Prosper's most popular master plan communities, then you're in the right place. Hi, this is Andrew with the Andrew Smith team, eXp Realty in Frisco, Texas, and I specialize in helping buyers and sellers in the greater Frisco area achieve their real estate goals, and I'd like to help you too. So go ahead and follow the link in the description to schedule your free consultation call. Today, I'm coming to you from Star Trail, a Blue Star land and development community. And in case you're wondering, yes, it is the same Blue Star as what happens to be on the side of those helmets. Go Cowboys. We are located on the west side of the Dallas North Tollway, and this community is so popular because of all the amenities that it has. There are miles and miles of hiking and biking trails. There's playgrounds just like the one you see behind me. There's 2 different party pavilions. There's lighted tennis and pickleball courts. There's 3 resort style pools, the community center, and so much more. The home that I'm going to be featuring today is this brand new construction Highland home that is ready for immediate move-in. This is Highland Homes Plan 599. This east-facing home has 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3 half baths, a study, an extended outdoor living area, and a media room in approximately 3,480 square feet of living space. Welcome inside. After just walking through this home, one of the things that I found quite unique is the contrast of light and dark colors. And you'll see that as I turn around and start the tour in just a minute. But you've got like a dark gray door. You've got dark wood on the staircase handrails, but you've got light wood floors. Then you've got a darker gray cabinet. So there's a lot of contrast between light and dark. It's a look that you're probably either going to really like because it's a little bit different, or it's something that you're not going to like as much. But let's see what you think. So this is the view as you enter into the home. There are really tall ceilings, and you've got the staircase over here to the left. That's the formal dining room there to the right. And then further to the right adjacent to the front door, is the study. One thing I really do like about the study is this little recessed nook area towards the back here. That would make a really nice area to build in some cabinets, or possibly even have a desk built in with some bookcases, something along those lines. It's a double glass door entry. And as you come out of the study, you do over here have one of the powder rooms, along with a coat closet. And then you have your formal dining room here, a pretty modern light fixture done in black. And you've got those doors that lead to a Butlers pantry. As we swing around this way, you're going to find the entrance to the garage as well as one of the bedrooms. Not a bad size room here on the main floor. And this bedroom does have a full bath, complete with step-in shower. As we make our way through into the main living area, you've got these really tall ceilings, ceiling fan, lots of can light, so there is plenty of light in this room. And again, here's the lighter floors that I was referring to, and then you've got a gray painted brick fireplace surround that goes all the way to the ceiling, something that you don't see every day. Pretty unique overall. Then as I pan towards the kitchen itself, so you have this darker gray island. Again, the black light fixtures and the black faucets continue. You've also got black handles on all of the cabinets. So you've got the cabinets, again, this white shaker cabinet that goes all the way to the ceiling and contrasts nicely with the dark gray island and vent hood. You've got this backsplash here, again, darker gray tones. You've got the 5-burner cooktop. double ovens, stainless steel, and then it leads through to this Butler's pantry area, complete with some shelving above, cabinets down below, and the desk area. Now, one thing I found unusual, to be honest, that you don't see every day is this is where the laundry room is. So you don't really see that adjacent to the dining room and the butler's pantry too often, but you do have a rod there, the hookups and an upper cabinet. Normally you see that over closer to the garage or in some models upstairs. As you make your way through the kitchen, you do also have a breakfast nook here, plenty of windows on all sides. And then we'll make our way through into the primary bedroom before looking outside. So a fairly typical bedroom here. It's more of a rectangular shape. And then it leads through into the primary bath. So you've got this standalone soaking tub, this dark gray wall leading all the way up, and then you've got the glass cut through into the shower. These lighter gray floors, and then you have one vanity unit over here, darker gray with again the black, so really contrasting colors. And you have the exact same on the other side. Then you've got a lighter tile here in the shower, which goes all the way to the ceiling. And then the closet here is fully built out. So it's California closet design. You've got all of these cubbies, lots of hanging space. You've got the drawers. You have more cubbies over here, more hanging space. So they've really utilized the space in the closet nice. They've done a really good job with that. We'll make our way outside. So you do have this extended covered outdoor patio. You've got power hookups in for mounting a TV. You've got a gas stub out right there as well. And then these Highland homes in this section of Star Trail are being built on 55 foot wide lots. And they have put the taller privacy fencing in along the back, as you can see there, which is a really nice feature. So what do you think so far? I hope the comment that I made as we entered into the home about it being a little bit unique with reuse of the light and dark colors is making a little bit more sense now. But let me know what you think about that in the comments below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? What are your thoughts? Now, if you'd like additional information about this home, I invite you to reach out. You can call or text the number on your screen, and I'd be more than happy to provide additional details on this home or any of the homes that are being offered here in Star Trail. And in the description below, I do have a link to the property details page. And on that page, you can look at all the photographs, see the floor plan, as well as get the latest pricing. As you get to the top of the stairs, it leads directly into the media room. So it's a good sized media room. It's been painted all dark colors, walls and ceiling, which is perfect for the media room. So it's all set up, ready for movie night. And as we make our way over to this side, this is where you're going to find the game room. So a nice size game room here. You've got a cutout there where you could easily put a built-in in. You've got power up high if you wanted to add a TV. Ceiling fan up here. And then you also have another powder bath right here. As we make our way over to the opposite side of the staircase, you're going to find another bedroom here. Fairly standard secondary room size. And then this one also has its own bath. So this is a bath with a tub shower combo. And we continue down the hallway. We enter into the last of the bedrooms, which also has its own bath with a tub shower combo. The closet for this bedroom is located here in the bath. A typical secondary bedroom again. I wanted to thank you for spending a few minutes touring this home with me today. It is overall, to be honest with you, a pretty interesting floor plan. The way that the bedrooms are split, I really like. I like the upstairs, the way the media room and the game room are situated. It's not what you traditionally typically see. I still think the laundry room location is a little bit different, but would that be a deal breaker? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. Now, if you'd like additional information about this or any of the builders or communities building in Star Trail or anywhere in the greater Frisco or Prosper area, then I invite you to reach out. Please feel free to schedule a call. I'd be more than happy to try and learn more about what it is that you're looking for so that I can match you with the builder and the community that best suits your needs. Now, don't go anywhere because I know you're going to enjoy one of these videos coming up next.